Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and in this video I want to show you how to claim your airdrop, right? Your PAWS airdrop. You tap right here, you search on PAWS, you click on the PAWS.community like we normally do. So once you click it like this, you tap on dashboard. Once you tap on dashboard, you go down, you tap on next, right? Then you tap on claim. You can see that the claiming button is available, right? Then you tap on claim, right? Then you tap on this button, tap continue. Then you select which network you want to claim your airdrop, whether Bybit or Bitget exchange, right? So the on-chain claim is yet to be available, will be available later. So let's tap right here and claim. So just know that 3% of your available balance will be used as gas fee. So you can decide to claim on Bybit or on Bitget. So anyone you want to claim, watch this video. Is the same thing on how you can be able to claim. So I want to claim on Bybit. The reason why I'm claiming on Bybit, because recently Bybit promised that they're going to give some percentage, right? Adding percentage for each and everyone that will trade his PAWS with Bybit. Do you have Bybit account? Then you say yes, I do. You paste your UID and your own wallet address. So let me go to Bybit and show you how you can do this, how you can copy it and how you can paste it. So once you open your Bybit, you tap at the left corner, top left corner. You are going to see your own UID, right? Then you copy it. Just tap on it, it will copy automatically. So you can see it will copy automatically, right? So in case your phone is skipping sometimes, just write the Bybit UID on ground, then you go to deposit. After writing the UID on maybe on a piece of paper or just somewhere, then you come to deposit. You tap on deposit, then you search on PAWS, right? So you can see it right here. You tap on it, then you can see it's under Solana blockchain. You tap like this, then you tap on OK. You copy this address, right? Once you copy this address, then you go back to Phantom wallet, right? Let me go back to Phantom wallet. So you come back right here, you write your Bybit UID, then your deposit address, and the same thing on Bitget. So look, watch as I do my own right here. 12701124 last, right? Then what am I going to do again? Then you tap on deposit on this address, then you paste your address, right? After pasting my address, then I'll just tap on continue, right? Take your data, verify the data. You will not receive tokens if the information entered is incorrect, right? So I believe that my information is legit, right? So what am I going to do? I'm going to tap on continue. So how many airdrop am I going to receive in this final step? I'll claim at least final you want to deposit 6,390 and 97.32 PAWS token, right? Then I'll confirm. So you can see done. You will receive your tokens in Bybit account before trading starts. Bybit has been selected, right? Then you tap on finish. So this is how to connect and claim your tokens, right? After doing this, you will see that they are going to mark you this, which means you have done everything and you have already claimed your token, and your address is going to appear right here. Guys, if you know you really enjoyed this video, kindly like the video and subscribe if you haven't. Turn the notification button so that whenever I drop new updates, you will be notified immediately. Thank you.